Hey guys, it's me again, back with another video. And today I'm having Thanksgiving dinner. Look,
Chelsea, brave! It's not gonna spill!
There's so much pressure right there. It's gonna just
if you're wondering what's on this plate, it's turkey, ham, mashed potatoes, and corn. And over here, I'm having Dr. Pepper. And let me show you this logo. This is a diet Dr. Pepper. So yeah, let's take a test. Let's take a taste test of
Too
this.
bad! Too sad! Let me take this
You
one.
know what? No, Adriana, you can't. No. It's gonna spill.
No!
This is so good, guys. It literally is good. So yeah,
It's just bubbles.
I'm gonna continue eating this, so I'll catch you later. Alright, so I just got done eating my Thanksgiving dinner and it was so good. Hopefully they made the same thing last year. Hopefully we got the same plants as last year. I think they are. But let's take a look outside. It is cloudy right now, as you can see. Leaves are still not falling right there. Excuse me. Excuse me again. Here's the clouds and the trees. It's almost Christmas. I don't know what I'll be getting for Christmas this year. So yeah. The weather said that it's gonna rain tonight at around 7 o'clock at nighttime. So, yeah. We're making fire. Let's enjoy this Dr. Pepper. This is a diet Dr. Pepper. So yeah. I'll let you know when it starts raining. Alright, let's check the weather again. There's birds. Bye, birds. So back onto the fire. Back into the weather. Sorry, I didn't mean to say fire. The cloud seems dark. Feels like it's gonna rain. It's gonna be raining like at 8 o'clock or something like that. But we're out here, chilling outside. And it's kind of cold out here. It's like 60 degrees. I think we're expecting rain showers. So yeah. And there's also. And I don't know where Pinto is right now. But I don't think we're available to see him. So there is also. Yep, he's playing with the leaves. Anyways. Let's see what we got more to do. Alright, so here are the reindeers that we just set up in my porch. Very cool. Very cool reindeers. There's also a Christmas tree turned on. You know, Christmas lights. So let's check the weather again. And it just rained a little bit. I'm not sure if rain will come back. So yeah. I'll come back whenever this rain is getting worse. I'm going to enjoy myself some cake. Let's go. This is so good. Ah. Come on. There you go. So it's getting dark now, and I don't not even see any rain coming in. But anyways, I'm not sure if there's gonna be any rain coming, but there was supposed to be rain, but I don't see it anymore. And guess what I got? I got Pepsi. It's time to drink it. This is good. This is literally good. I don't know when I tried Pepsi for the first time, but this tastes so good. Like the other sodas. But anyways, I'm gonna continue looking at the weather again. Alrighty, so my prediction was right. It is raining. Let me feel the rain here real quick. It is raining. I was right about my weather prediction. You cannot see the rain. You cannot see the rain. But let me show you. I don't know about the fire because the fire is going to be put out if it rains too hard. So yeah. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to hit share, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell also. So peace out everyone.